Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics, and I'm very excited to show you. This is our new mini catalog for September through December 2024. I still kind of call it the holiday mini catalog. I've got them in, and I will be shipping them out to customers that have bought from me this past year. And I can't show you the inside yet because it doesn't start till September 4th. But, excuse me, I did receive some new products that I can show you out of that catalog. One of them is More Than Autumn. This set is so adorable. It's got a million great sayings. Nothing's better than. It could be donuts, hot cocoa, peppermint, cider, apple, eggnog. They have cute little pictures here of a cup with foam, or it could be marshmallows, and then all these little seasonal cuties, donuts, and a pie. And it comes with all of these matching dies. So even the little tiny ones like the candy cane, and here we go. And then let's see what else is there. All this, the straw, the cinnamon, you can cut them out with all of these beautiful dies. Plus there's some words in there, and you can cut the words out. You can cut the pie, everything like that. So this is a great set for fall. I'm gonna start using it probably, maybe this even, I think I might try it for this coming newsletter. So be checking the newsletter because I believe Starbucks starts their pumpkin spice lattes and everything in September, which is just a couple weeks away. So I'm gonna kind of get into this early. Another one is Humble Home. This one also comes with a punch, but I didn't get the punch this time because I think this is an easy thing to cut out, and the punch just cuts out the house and then maybe a mini heart, and I think the little square part for the chimney or something. So anyway, I liked this because I have a lot of new neighbors. I'm in a new neighborhood, and I love, like it says, from our house to yours, Merry Christmas, thank you, welcome. Thank you for the sweet gift. Merry Christmas. Thank you for coming. If they came to your house for a little holiday party or something, and you can do it with the bricks, or you could do it like, this reminds me of a little gingerbread house, sort of. Anyway, I'll be using this. I can't wait. I also chose Snowy Wonder because I loved when we do things more like even January, where you can have penguins, you can have snowmen, you still have the candy cane, you have the trees, you have some holly. So you have all seasons here. Season's greetings, let it snow, and Happy New Year. Takes you right into the new year. And with that, I also got these. These are called Gold Dipped Cards and Envelopes. And let me show you the beautiful colors. All right. Oh, they're very tight. Okay, they come in the blue, and you can have your card vertically this way or horizontal, and it has a beautiful gold dipped edge. The envelopes have the edge on them too. Then you also have green, and you have Christmas red. And actually it's cherry cobbler. Cherry cobbler, garden green, and night of navy are your colors. And then I got this Affirma pack. Let's see, have I opened it? No, I thought I opened everything to check it out, but let me get my scissors. Okay, these are adorable because you can add them to these card bases, and without even stamping, actually make a lot of cards. Let me show you this. How many? These are also good for if people scrapbook, or you just want to add a quick something to your card. So you can just, these are already pre-scored and punched. Some of them have some pretty gold trim on them. You have the snowman, you have bells, bows, just everything Christmas. And then this one is nice. It's got ice skates, the poinsettias, the wreaths, and a little figgy pudding maybe, and trees. We can make some really great pictures with these. This here has your stocking, a sled, some cookies, drum, and you get 2 of those. I think you got 2 of those. You did get 2 of these. They were stuck together, but there are 2. I mean, there's a lot in here. And then this one's adorable. It looks like a little snow globe, and you get some cocoa, another tree, a little bear, peppermints. I mean, so adorable. So you can mix and match these and design your own cards, and then just stamp a cute saying. Now, there's also an affirmative pack that has all the sayings that you can do, and I was debating whether to get it or not, but I wanted to show you what I've already gotten. Let me find it. I have the greetings of the season. This has some beautiful sayings. Season's greetings, most wonderful time of the year, different things that I think I can stamp and use on these cards. I might still break down and get the ones that are already done, because then there's no stamping, you just assemble really quick. Also in the iconic imagery, which you've seen me use, there's some really nice sayings in there. And then I have the naughty and nice, which I haven't even used yet. You know, that's cute too, from the North Pole, from the Kitchen of Mrs. Claus. So, you know, I have other things that I could use. There's also this cute bundle. This is called the Sweetest Star. And it has a little gingerbread man, a Santa, a Mrs. Santa, wishing you a holly jolly Christmas, sweet wishes, baking spirits bright. So she could be baking maybe something. So adorable. And then you can punch it out with this star. And the reason why I got this punch was I saw in the catalog, and you'll see it too, they actually punched a lot of stars and scored them and made them into a wreath. So I think this is going to be a cute thing to make a project with too. So that's another one that I got. And then let me show you some of the paper. This one is called Take a Bow. And it has a bow die that you can make a bow. But I actually just loved the paper. I mean, look at the beautiful plaids. On the back, you have like a green speckle. And there's a lot of them in there. This one has green stars. And then you have your polka dots on the back. These would make adorable cards, bases, and also some projects. You've got some holly and the great red and white stripes. And then you've got some dots and some more stripes. It's adorable. I think this will take me through the whole holiday. Okay, another one that I got was this one. And it's called A Little Bit Festive. Let me show you what's special about this paper. Okay, this one comes with 3 full sheets of designer series paper. Or is it 2? 2, I believe. Okay, so you're gonna get these nice brushed leaves with Christmas balls. A red and white stripe again. Can't go wrong there for Christmas. This nice blue. And a nice blue check, love it. And then check this out. These punch out. So you've got, oh, and here's the other piece. I knew there were 3. Christmas trees and some red and white on the back. Okay, the rest of these are card fronts that you can use, or you can use for scrapbooking if you're into that. So look at all the cute things. You can make a whole gingerbread scene. This would make a nice thing. This punches out, so you can have a saying inside there or a picture. You've got Christmas trees, lights, adorable. Look at all the ones on this page. You've got the poinsettias. This one's so cute. You've got a fern, you've got a wreath, you've got several wreaths. You've got the truck, the sled, tons of ideas on here. So I'll be using some of them with those card bases that you saw. And then this one too. I don't know which way I should show it to you, but there's cute, oops, little bears, Christmas trees, candy canes. There's another tree. Looks like a little, like you can take this, probably this little house here. Can you see that? Yeah. Gingerbread house with a gingerbread man. Maybe a little gingerbread tree outside of his house with a gingerbread present. I mean, you can make a whole theme of it. How cute is that? So I loved this paper, and you can use some of these bases for your cards, which would be excellent. So I love the versatility of this set. It's very, very different for designer paper. Okay. Then I got some twine. We had some natural tone linen thread, and I believe that's a garden green and maybe a night of navy, or I'm not sure of the colors. I didn't list them on here. No. And then a nice copper color or brown for fall. So I thought these would be great for Christmas and fall. Then they also had, this is called Wild Wheat. This ribbon is so delicious. I have to tell you, there's like, I hope you can see this, wheat on either side, and then sort of a mesh with a white, kind of a sparkly, and it's just so pliable. It makes a bow so easy. I mean, look, it's beautiful. So I got some of this because it reminds me of gold. Like, I know it says wheat, but it reminds me of a gold color for Christmas, or I can use it for my fall cards. And then to go along with that, I got the faux glass dots. Not sure of all the colors. I did open these. And I do just a little sliver on the side so I can take them out. And then I can also store them back in easily. Okay, this is an orange. I don't know. There's a yellow, a green, and sort of a coppery, which would go with that other color. Yeah. So these are cute. And then, let's see, see how easy I can get these back in. And I just store them like that. Look at these. Are these adorable? These are little mini peppermints. And I thought about like those houses, if I wanted to do a gingerbread house, I could use these on the gingerbread house. How cute are those? And they come in 3 different sizes, tiny, medium, and large. Excuse my voice today. My allergies are through the roof. We've had some rain, so I guess that started up. And then I also got some red and white twine. Baker's twine, yeah, because that went really pretty with the peppermints. And then I got these because I know there's a snowman set. These are called white loose snowflakes. And in the paper, let's see if I can do this without tossing them all over. There are, look at those, aren't they cute? Make great shaker cards. You could just take a dot of glue and add them to your cards for winter, for a little snowfall. There's also a snowfall embossing folder I forgot to get, so I will be ordering that to go with this and do some snowy scenes. So that's all I've got for today so far. That was my first order. And I just wanted to remind you, I will be putting these in the mail tomorrow. I'm going to get them all packaged up today. And just please remember to use my host code. If you're under $150, I can use that to send out thank yous and to continue making cards. And if you noticed, here's that little house. Look at all the ideas for that little house. How cute. You can do it Christmassy, or you can just do it as kind of a love house, I guess, or something. And then look at that squiggled one down there. There's the brick. So just kind of give you an idea of some of the stuff that'll be inside. All that will be coming out on September 4th for you to order. And don't forget, we have new things online on our online exclusives. Don't forget to check there because you can get those right now. Actually, I bought, this is a haunted house. I haven't put it together yet. I have a friend who's also bought it. We're going to put it together, put the whole house together with each other, together. And this is what it looks like. Is that adorable? We haven't had a Halloween kit like this in a long time, so I'm really excited. And I give you everything you need to assemble it, except for you will need a hot glue gun because you will want to put this together with hot glue. Now, I've already seen variations of this where people turn the house inside out and they made it into a Christmas house or a little gingerbread house. There's so many alternatives that you could do with this kit if you're not into the Halloween, but it's huge. I mean, I think it's about this big when it's built. It is really large, and you can put tea lights underneath and light this house up. I mean, how cute. I hope to have that built by the next time I do a video. So that's everything I've got. Thank you for joining me today, and check my newsletter on Tuesday. If you're not signed up for it, you can sign up for it at StampFUnatics.com. It comes out once a week on Tuesday, and I try to give you a new idea every week. And don't forget to use my host code. Thank you, and have a great day.